Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Surijit Acharya, a motivational speaker. So today I'm bringing once more, once again a new topics. Okay, which you will be really like it. Okay, it's a story only. It's a motivational story. Okay, which is about the secret of success. That is my topic. Okay, the story is very excellent one and very good one. Okay, and but before I start my topics, as usual, I always say that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do it, support me also, and as well as do like and share also at the same time. So the story, it's basically comes about the secret of success. It's about the ancient Greek philosopher. It's about him. Okay, ancient Greek philosopher. So what happened, one day, one young man come to him, okay, to that philosopher, to the Socrates, okay, to his, like, we can say in short form Socrates. Okay, to the Socrates, that young man used to come to him, and he used to ask that, oh, you are earning a lot of money in a month. Okay, you are earning a lot of money. Okay, your lifestyle also very good, right? So can you tell me, like, what is the reason behind you become success this much? Okay, you are becoming a successful person in your life, and you are earning lots of money, because me also, I want to become success. Okay, then the Socrates replied to him, to that young man, okay, that do one thing, you come tomorrow nearby the river. Okay, you come tomorrow nearby the river. Then what happened? Then he said that, what time I will be coming? He said, you come morning around 6 o'clock. Okay, morning around 6 o'clock. He is calling to that young man to come, and so that he will tell him that what is the reason behind for the success and all. Then after that, he was really excited so much. Okay, he is waiting. That eagerness is there. That yes, I am tomorrow. I am going to learn about the success, right? That how to become success. Because of that excitement, he cannot able to eat properly food. He cannot able to sleep properly, because he is just waiting for the tomorrow. He is waiting for the next day, that I am going to get the informations about the success, right? So for that reasons, he was keep on waiting, and the time came. Okay, the time arise. Okay, the next morning already come. Okay, and he was quite ready. Before 6 o'clock, he is already ready in front of the river. Okay, then after that, that philosopher, he came, that Socrates, he came over there. Okay, and he is welcoming him, the wishing him a good morning or something like that. And after that, he said, okay, then come, let's start. Okay, I will tell you what is the reason behind for the success. Okay, and after a few minutes, what happened, he said to that young man, okay, so you do one thing, you try to open your cloth. Okay, you try to open your shirt. Okay, then he was quite surprised, and he was thinking that, I have asked him that I asked him that how to become success, but he's telling me to open my clothes, right? What is the reason behind? Okay, he's taking in a negative way or what? He was thinking like that, right? Then he said, it's okay, let me just take out my shirt, let me see what happened. No, then he's trying to take it out his shirt. Okay, then after he take it out his shirt and all, okay, what happened? He said that, you take it out your pant also. Okay, he said that, now you take it out your pant also. Okay, then again he was surprised. He said, sir, what happened? I asked you to teach me how to become success in my life, or what is the reason behind, what is the secret of success, but you are trying to tell me to take out of my clothes. Then he said that, don't worry, young man, just listen to me, just take out your shirt, take out your pen, then I will tell you what is the secret. Then that also he accepted. Okay, then again he said, then now let's go to the water. Okay, in the river, it was a very deep water over there. Okay, then he said, okay, now let us go inside the water. Okay, then he said that, no, I cannot go, it's very cold morning time, and as well as it's what is that, I don't know how to swim also. Okay, I don't know how to swim also, he said to that Socrates. Then after that, he said that, no problem, I know how to swim, if it is anything is there, I am there. Okay, I am there for you, no, so let us go. Then he went together. Okay, and deeply, little by little, he is going inside. Okay, inside the water. Okay, after that, almost reaching till here. Okay, till here it's almost reaching where, like, if little bit more, if he's going also, that means he cannot able to swim properly. Then after he's going middle of that water little bit more, what happened, that Socrates, okay, he tried to hold his neck. Okay, and he ducked him inside the water. Okay, for a little bit, for the seconds. Okay, and when he ducked him inside the water, he was trying to take the breath. Okay, with the hand, with the action, with the leg, he's trying to remove from that one, that he really want to take a breath that time. Okay, he really want to come in the come out from that water. Okay, he was giving his level best to come out, because he don't know how to swim also, and he feel that he's almost going to die, right? And he's really trying to take the breath in that particular situation. At last what happened, he can able to come out from that water. Okay, he can able to come out from the water, and then when he come out, he got so angry with that Socrates. Okay, so angry he took that. After he come out from that water, he said that, don't talk to me anymore. I told you, I asked you that how to become success, what is the reason of secret behind of success, and you are trying to duck me inside the water. If I would die, then what will happen? Right? I don't want to talk to you. Don't come in front of me. Okay? Then the Socrates is calling, hey young man, come here. Hey young man, come here. Isn't it? Say, no, 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 I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Don't ever talk to me. You are trying to murder me. You are trying to kill me because I'm asking you to make me success. But instead of that one, you are trying to kill me. So I don't want to come in front of you. I'm scared of you right now. I said, young man, please try to listen to me. Yeah, tell me what happened. He responded like that. He said that when you are in the water, what was there in your mind? The first things it comes when I put your head inside the water. Then he said that I'm trying to take a breath. You know how to swim? I said, no, I don't know how to swim. So what is there in your mind? It was coming that time that I was thinking that how to take a breath so that I can be alive and I can come out from that water. And he said that that is the main reason behind the success. There is no other secret apart of that one. Because what you don't know, before you don't know what is the how to swim or something like that, right? But just to be alive, just to make your life proper, right? Just to be once again normal, in your mind it comes that I have to take breath in any kind of situations. Because if you don't take breath, that means you are going to die. Right? If you don't take that air, if you are not breathing yourself, that means you are going to die, right? So it comes in your mind that how I can take a breath, though you don't know how to swim, but you with the action, with the hand, with the leg, whatever is required, you give your level best and you try to come out from that water, right? So that is the main reason behind the success, right? That is the main reason behind the success. So, and there is no other secret apart of that one. That means what we can learn from this short story is that, like, whatever is there in your life, right, there is no shortcut way to become success in our life, right? Because whatever you want to do, you have to believe in yourself and you have to focus with that one so that you can go ahead to become anything in your life. Because nobody can stop you to become anything in your life until you yourself you are taking a decision. Because everything is depends on you. Okay, everything is, you are the one only who is going to architect your future. Who is going to architect your future? You are the one only. So that means it is very, very important that whatever we have planned, whatever we have goal to become something in our life, everything you have to concentrate and you have to focus on that one so that you can become success in your life. And apart of that one, there is no other success. Clear? Okay, so I hope that everybody like my story. Okay, and if you really like it, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share. Okay, and like also. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye bye guys, take care all of you.